Yeah, I am proud to talk about my company, KG Group of Companies here in Coimbatore. It was established in the year 1946 as a cotton ginning and trading company. The promoter was K. Govindasamy Naidu. He took over these Kannapiran mills during 1971. So now it has got a capacity of 60,000 ring spindles and 7,300 rotor spindles. We are into the production of both ring yarn and open end yarn, amounting about 80 tons per day. All our yarns are specialty products like slab, coarse spun yarn, tensile, like that. We produce coarse spun yarn system, the spandex, that means spandex. Then we produce tensile also. We produce polyester cotton blends also. Then modal cotton also. So we are into specialty. We are using specialty fibers. Then we use viscose fiber also. Then we use combed compact yarn also. Yeah, see, before we go in for the spindle mounting system, there was a low drop in efficiency. So we thought instead of going for a kind of expansion and modernization, we thought this spindle mounting system will help us to augment the efficiency of the ring frames. So when with that fulfilled our hope. Now the efficiency has improved by 4%. Earlier, because we are into slab yarn, with the conversion, Scottish conversion spindle cannot be covered with other units. We have it is increased about 6 grams, I feel. Increased by 6 grams. In terms of percentage, 4%. Say in terms of absolute quantity, about 1,000 kilos per day. That's a good improvement. The SPinFO system format is very good. It is user friendly. We can customize it to based on the priority. So for me, certain parameters are prior to me. Then my people down the line format is going to be different. So they can reorganize the format to their own according to their priority. That is the most beautiful part of that reporting system. A.T.E is a very known company. It is the employees working in A.T.E, the staff, they are all very pleasing in nature, with a pleasing nature. I don't know, it's the DNA of that company. How come each and every staff of the A.T.E is so pleasant and pleasing to the customers? Of course, that is should be a character of a salesman. But I have seen many companies in the sales side, but A.T.E is standing apart from any other company. Then their knowledge on the product is very important. Whatever the clarification we ask for, across the phone and across the table, they are able to clarify our requirement. That is the capability and beauty of the A.T.E company. Moreover, they are dealing with all the product which is required for the entire value chain of the textile industry. Maggie is a very transparent company. They are open in the discussions. Then they are user friendly also. Their pricing policy is affordable. Really, I like their service and their support and their pricing policy, and being transparent is more important. That wins our confidence. So I am happy to recommend this MAG company for any of my fellow technicians.